Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive again. Took the front bar off. They glued everything. I'm not sure what they use glue for. A lot of glue there, glue here. Man, it's crazy. That is not even connected properly to go onto your this is your headlight washing system washer. So that's not even connected. There's a clip that goes in there. It's missing. That goes in here. Locks onto this as well. That's not even working. I'm not sure what to say about this kind of work. Look at this one here. There's glue there. The wiring harness for the right hand side for the it's here. I can't see anything on that side there. Can't see anything here as well. Just trying to find anything. It's a big mess here. Not sure what they've done. It looks like there's I think they have taken everything out, done some work on the car, and I'm just not sure what they've done. They didn't even put this on properly. That's your safety. So if your bonnet, your battery is dead and you can't open the battery, you just have to pull on this wire here and you open the front boot on the left hand side front on the actual 987 and 997. Alright, so we're trying to find the wire. There's no wire whatsoever. I'm not sure if they replaced the harness. There's a crack here as well. Looks like there's been a hit there. This one's connected. That's connected. The ambient temp is connected. So luckily I ordered another one, so I can actually try a new one tomorrow. Hopefully it'll come tomorrow, because tomorrow I think the lock's coming in. But let's have a look at this. So I don't really know what they've done with the wiring harness, because they've done this. That's pretty bad. So worst comes to worst, I have to rewire. I'm gonna make about a harness myself from this side to connect to that side there, so everything work. And I have to run the wire because they both come on at the same time anyway, so it's in series, not in parallel. So when you put the left hand side on, when you put the parkers and the actual fog light, both lights will come on, left and right. So I have to make up a harness from here to there to make it work. And then same time order a little clip for this side here as well. Okay, there should be another part here missing here. I gotta look up the actual parts catalog. There's something missing here for the actual washing system. A three-way actually connector. Alright, let's go back to the car. This side here is pretty good, but that side there, things are missing on this side here. We'll try to sort it out and then we'll do another video. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.